Whether you're designing an automotive cooling system or assessing a wind farm location for urban planning, performing fluid flow and heat transfer simulations leads to better quality designs, reduced development time and cost, and the avoidance of manufacturing issues. SIMULIA's Fluid Dynamics Engineer role was created with these goals in mind. With this role, users will be able to explore the fluid flow and thermal performance of design alternatives to accelerate product innovation, harness the power of CAD and PLM-embedded CFD that enables simulation-driven product development where models can be updated in minutes after design changes, take advantage of a guided interface that is tailored for designers and specialists alike, making the creation of CFD simulations easier than ever before, and gain comprehensive physics coverage that caters to many industrial applications. Best of all, unlike other solutions, our model-based process provides seamless collaboration between other engineers and departments, whether they're on-premise or on cloud. For example, this multidisciplinary environment streamlines workflows such as fluid structure interaction and coupling with system models. With SIMULIA's Fluid Dynamics Engineer role, you can accelerate product innovation while minimizing development and warranty costs.